Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get your affiliate links on MaxBounty. What you need to do, first just go to MaxBounty and log in your account. When you log in your account, you will see some offers here in the main page. You can choose what do you want to promote, or just click here, search, and then just you can choose the country, the categories here. For example, if I choose email submits, and then click apply search options. And you can see some information about it here. Here you will get 1.60 per lead. If I choose this offer, for example, just click here and you will see some information about it. It's already approved and countries allowed: United States. Okay, for example, if I want to promote this, just click here, build tracking link. And then what type of traffic will you be sending? Just choose the kind of traffic. For example, if I choose search, and here click raw link. Okay, here is the link. Just click here, copy link, and then you paste it. This is what you need to do to get your affiliate links on MaxBounty. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.